In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of Copilot Chat and discuss some of its best uses for EKU users. Microsoft offers more than one Copilot experience. For EKU users, the relevant tool is Copilot Chat. Copilot Chat is an AI chat tool that can help you generate ideas, organize information, summarize content, and create first drafts more quickly. You can access Copilot Chat through the Microsoft 365 Copilot app and related Microsoft web experiences using your work or school account. Depending on your setup, you may also see Copilot available in other Microsoft experiences. For now, the easiest way to get to Copilot Chat is to head to office.com and sign in with your EKU account. Once you sign in, you should see the Copilot Chat main page. One of the best uses for Copilot Chat is brainstorming. If you need help getting started on a topic, building ideas for a project, or thinking through possible approaches, Copilot can help create a starting point. Another strong use is outlining. You can ask Copilot to organize ideas into a simple structure for a presentation, paper, meeting, or project. It can also help with drafting. For example, you can use it to create a first draft of an email, a short response, or a basic written summary. Copilot is also useful for summarizing information. It can help reduce longer content into key points, which can save time when reviewing notes or organizing material. As with any AI tool, it is important to review the output carefully. You should check accuracy, revise wording, and make sure the final result fits your needs. Used thoughtfully, Copilot Chat can be a helpful tool for brainstorming, outlining, summarizing, and drafting. For more help with digital resources at EKU, visit eku.edu/IT.